Hello YouTube friends, my name is Cheryl and I'm going to read you a story today. I wonder what that story will be. The story today is called Dear Zoo. Wanhtharra Gungun. Wanhtharra means how is it? Gungun means forest. This is how the story goes. I wrote to the zoo to send me a pet. Ngayu kapan balkay Gungun kal. Ngatu tawon di kano. Ngayu I wrote a letter to the zoo. Ngayu kapan letter balkay wrote Gungun to the zoo. Me tawon is friend. Dikano is to send me a pet. They sent me a kangaroo. Tanna ngatu dike kangaroo. Tanna they me ngatu me kangaroo dike sent. Tanna ngatu kangaroo dike. He was too big. Nulu wara warka wune. Nulu he wara very warka big wune was. Nulu wara warka wune. I sent him back. Ngayu nango tilin warm by money. Ngayu I nango him tilin then warm by money returned. So they sent me an emu. Tanna ngatu puriwi dike. Tanna they ngatu me puriwi emu dike sent. They sent me an emu. He was too tall. Nulu wara kalpe wune. Nulu he wara very kalpe tall wune was. I sent him back. Ngayu nango kura warm by money. Ngayu I nango him kura again warm by money returned. So they sent me a crocodile. Tanna ngatu kanar dike. Tanna they ngatu me kanar crocodile dike sent. He was too fierce. Nulu wara kullidar wune. Nulu he wara very kullidar fierce wune was. I sent him back. Ngayu nango kura warm by money. Ngayu I nango him kura again warm by money returned. They sent me a goanna. Tanna ngatu kuwarka dike. Tanna they ngatu me kuwarka goanna dike sent. He was too greedy. Nulu wara mangal kuma wune. Nulu he wara very mangal kuma greedy wune was. I sent him back. Ngayu nango kura warm by money. So they sent me a snake. Tanna ngatu tarpa dike. Tanna they ngatu me tarpa snake dike sent. He was too scary. Nulu wara yinil wune. Nulu he wara very yinil scary wune was. He was too scary. I sent him back. Ngayu nanga kura warm by money. So they sent me a porcupine. Tanna ngatu palinga dike. Tanna they ngatu me palinga porcupine dike sent. He was too naughty. Nulu wara wanu wune. Nulu he wara very wanu naughty wune was. I sent him back. Ngayu nanga kura warm by money. So they sent me a frog. Tanna ngattu chandar dike. Tanna, they, ngattu, he, chandar, frog, dike, sent. Tanna ngattu chandar dike. He was too noisy. Nullu wara kawalmalin wune. Nullu, he, wara, very, kawalmalin, noisy, wune, was. So I sent him back. Ngayu nangokura warmbaimani. So they thought very hard. Tilin tana milkanati. Tilin, so, tana, they, milkanati. Thought very hard. And sent me a dog. Tana ngattu kutta dike. Kura and ngattu, my kutta dog, dike, sent. Kura ngattu kutta dike. He was perfect. Nullu wara dappar one. Nullu, he, wara very dappar. Perfect. He was perfect. Nullu wara dappar one. Tilin ngayu nangopanchi. Tilin, so, ngayu, I, nango, him, panchi, kept. Tilin ngayu nangopanchi. So I kept him. So that's the end of the story. Now it's time for me to say goodbye. Namagara.